This resort, nestled around the Gulf of Lingayen and close to the famed Hundred Islands, is a perfect retreat for nature lovers like me. Let me share how we found our way to this serene haven. We headed to Masamirey Cove Resort to celebrate our Papa's birthday. The drive from the Gupan city was supposed to take an hour and a half, but since I was the one behind the wheel, it ended up taking us a bit over 2 hours. The roads were generally in good condition, though there was a stretch that narrowed to a single lane. We wound our way through zigzagging paths and crossed what felt like three mountains, navigating uphill and downhill slopes surrounded by lush greenery. The journey was a scenic adventure with trees lining the way, as well as glimpses of fish ponds and rice fields, adding to the charm. It was the first Sunday of November 2024, and for those who love nature, the drive itself was already a treat. Subscribe to my channel for more buffet and travel adventures. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll never miss an update. We arrived at the resort at around 12 noon. Although the check-in time was officially 2 p.m., we were lucky to get into our room right away, as the previous guest had checked out earlier than expected. The room we're staying in is a Bali-inspired villa designed for up to 5 people. It features a spacious main bedroom with its own toilet and bath, a cozy living room with an additional toilet, and the highlight, a private pool for exclusive use. After checking into our room, we headed to the restaurant for lunch and to claim our welcome drink. Masamirey Cove Resort is a hidden gem located in Sual, Pangasinan, known for its serene and picturesque surroundings. Nestled along the coast, the resort offers stunning views of the calm waters of Masamirey Bay, making it an ideal getaway for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. The resort features a white sand beach with amenities such as pool, beachfront cabanas, and dining options. Visitors can enjoy activities like swimming, beach volleyball, kayaking, and island hopping to nearby destinations like 100 Islands. The complimentary breakfast can be enjoyed either at the restaurant or outside our room. We decided to have ours by the pool.